I am Dr. Shubhangi Bhave. I work at Drishti Eye Clinic and Squint Center, Nagpur. Today we'll be talking something about cataract. Now let's consider the prevalence. Of the 39 million blind globally, about 80 million, that is 1 in 3 blind, live in India. And of this, cataract forms a major cause of preventable blindness. The others being glaucoma, refractive error, age-related macular degeneration, and diabetic retinopathy. The World Sight Day is observed on second Thursday of every October. Basically, this is celebrated to increase the awareness of such preventable causes amongst the general public. Now, coming to the cataract, its prevalence, as we know, is increasing with the age globally. In India, we have seen that visually significant cataract appears about 14 years earlier than in the US. By 2020, it is estimated that the aging population, that is population above 65 years of age, would double, and with this obviously the incidence of cataract would double, the visual morbidity and need for cataract surgery also would increase. We have to see why cataract occurs. Now, cataract occurs because of some hereditary factors and environmental factors. The environmental factors being mainly exposure to the UVB light, and that is why we see cataract more commonly in tropical country like India earlier than we see in the Western world. Then other factors which can lead to formation of cataract are diabetes mellitus, taking certain drugs like corticosteroid drugs, consumption of nicotine in form of smoking, alcohol. All these contribute to development of cataract. Now, how does one know that one has a cataract? The cataract develops when the crystalline lens of the eye, which is instrumental in focusing the images of objects on our retina, which enables us to see, becomes opaque. And whenever the crystalline lens becomes opaque, we see a blurred vision. This vision would be blurred more during day or night depending upon the location of cataract. Here one has to be aware that the other most common cause of blurred vision is the glaucoma, and if one should not go with the belief that the blurred vision is only because of cataract, because glaucoma can only be diagnosed by examination by an ophthalmologist. And if one continues to believe that blurred vision is because of cataract and one will get the surgery done, one could permanently lose vision because the glaucoma is not diagnosed. Treatment of cataract basically is surgical. During last few years, efforts have been made to find out a solution in a best way to treat cataract, and consensus has arrived that extracapsular cataract surgery with posterior chamber lens implantation is the best procedure for reducing the visual loss because of cataract. When we are operating cataract in the private clinics, we do it with the modern technique of phacoemulsification and implantation of foldable IOL. But when we are considering the surgery in community at large, surgery forms only a small part in the entire gamut of eradication of blindness because of cataract. It also includes the training and ongoing development of surgeons, nurses, administrators. It involves the equipment purchase, the maintenance and replacement of equipments, and ordering and supply of consumables. It also has to, one has to consider the cost recovery, the cross subsidization, so that even a poor patient can have an equitable access to these facilities. The integration, coordination of all these activities is essential for successful and sustainable cataract intervention and eradication of blindness because of cataract. To conclude, cataract is significant and increasing globally. and to take care of cataract and other age-related problems, a regular eye checkup is must. So the take-home message is take care of your eyes and we'll take care of you. Thank you.